Well, for science today, we actually all week are learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. And so, what's really fun is because it's spring and because we're at home and because it's beautiful weather, you might actually be able to find a caterpillar outside. So, I'd encourage you, if you have a chance and you're going for a walk or you have a backyard, go see if you can find any caterpillars or spot any butterflies. So, actually, the reason I say that is because maybe 2 weeks ago, we were in our backyard and we found a fuzzy little caterpillar crawling along. And Mr. Guy actually got a pickle jar and put some holes in it. And we were able to uh, capture the caterpillar just for a short period of time. We named him Abraham Lincoln because, we have George Washington, the fish, is visiting at our house right now. And we actually got to see Abraham Lincoln metamorphosize, which means change. And that's part of the life cycle of a butterfly. So I wanted to show you how butterflies start. They start actually with the adult butterfly laying eggs, and they often lay eggs on a milkweed leaf or different types of leaves. And so they have the egg stage. And um, after the eggs hatch, it goes into the caterpillar stage. And then the caterpillar munches on leaves and forms a pupa stage. Now, this itself, you might have heard the word cocoon. This is a cocoon, or a fancy word, the scientific name is a chrysalis. And the animal inside is, or the insect inside rather, is a pupa. It's the pupa stage. And then the pupa hatches into an adult butterfly. So what's so cool is I have the video of, I just happened to look at Abraham Lincoln right as this is the end of the caterpillar and he is forming his chrysalis right in this video. It's so cool. I wonder if I can make it big. Yeah, you can actually watch him finishing off. And this one it takes a little bit of time, but watch how his little body just kind of almost exercises. It's just twisting his way as he's developing that cocoon. And as you watch things like this in creation, I hope that you are just amazed by how great our God is. Isn't he amazing that he came up with the life cycle of all different animals and insects and plants, even, and humans? But the life cycle of a butterfly is so interesting. Watch as it just wriggles its way. And then you're going to see something at the very end. I can't even believe I felt like it was God's grace that I just happened to look over right when this was happening and get the end on film right as we're about to learn this in kindergarten. So wouldn't it be fun if you could do this at home? You could observe this. Watch, he's getting faster and faster, and he's really exercising. Do you see the little spikes on his cocoon? Did you see his little tail fall off? And then in just a few minutes, moments rather, he gets completely still. Watch him. Can you imagine the exercise that he's getting right now? He's twisting himself all up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Just a few more seconds. And then he's done. And now he's going to sleep for several weeks. Isn't that amazing? So I hope you thought that was just as exciting as I did. But I was so excited to be able to show you this. Now, later today, I'm going to read you this book called A Brand New Butterfly, but I think the pictures are too small on here, so I'm going to try to do it a different way. I will see you in a few moments, and we are going to do different activities about the life cycle of a butterfly throughout the week. So you can also do some investigating on your own. Go out and try to find some. I hope you learned a lot from this video. I hope you really enjoyed seeing that life cycle of the butterfly. I did have one more image to show you. Just kind of what I was showing you, the caterpillar wrapping itself into the cocoon, forming the pupa stage. And then they show the cocoon gets translucent and the butterfly